We've been serving this community, which includes the city of Kerman, Biola, the Bullard area in the Fresno area. One of the things that we recognized was the need to keep firefighters here. We first started by reaching out to Fresno City College Fire Academy, because if they're attending the Fire Academy here locally, that means this is home, somewhere close by. We developed a student intern program for a semester. So when they graduate from the Fire Academy and they have all their credentials and certifications, they get to choose which fire agency they'd like to intern in. They actually get to do everything that a firefighter does, and the skills that they've learned, they get to apply them and start developing their skills. They can do that for up to 2 semesters. And out of that, we have currently 63 firefighters out in the field. More than 50% of them have came through that program and interned with us.
In spring of 2021, the local school district, Kerman Unified School District, collaborated with the North Central Fire Protection District to establish a firefighting technology regional occupational program, or also known as an ROP program. Ours is very unique in the sense that the students are actually bused daily to the fire station. We have a classroom on site, and we also have active industry professionals as the instructors for that ROP program. So daily they come to us and they sit in our classroom, and we teach them fire technology. Who the program is to reach is our student, but at the end of the day, they are our community. So we are trying to reach our community. It's a force multiplier for us. It allows us to gain community support that way. The more education and public education, whether formal or informal, and in this setting through the ROP and CTE program, it is formal, allows us to educate the public better and to become better connected with our community.
What I believe piqued my interest in taking this class my senior year of high school was probably my junior year at Kerman High School. They announced that they were going to be hosting this program. From there, me and my friends kind of at first were like, oh, let's do something different. It's our senior year. But as I started taking the class, I kind of realized this is the career for me. Being hands-on with ladders, the hoses and everything, it really put inspiration in me and just helping in the community and doing better for Kerman. Part of the program that really touched me was being able to see our instructors really just going into depth on how it affected them, how they helped the community.
This program to me is very unique in the fact of because where it's housed. It's taught by real firefighters, hosted in a real firehouse. If we can hook them early as juniors and seniors in high school, then it motivates them and gives them an idea, what am I going to do after high school? I'm going to go to Fresno City College and I'm going to go into their firefighting academy so that way I can graduate from there and get into a real job as a firefighter. What I find out a lot is once you tap into industry and they see the relevance and they see the value of the students of today, they're more willing to engage and take something like that on. Because we have somebody like North Central Fire who's taken the initial steps.
Leaving high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I didn't want to be the kind of person that got stuck going to a 4-year college with a degree and didn't use it. I always felt I wanted to do something that would help out my community, and joining the ROP class, I feel like they really changed my career perspective a lot. The first day I was in there, just seeing everything, all the tools, all the work, really just changed my mindset of what I wanted to do later on within my life. My ultimate career goal is to hopefully come back to North Central one day and work my way up. Maybe be chief. I hope to get as high as that, but I want to take it one step at a time. I feel like choosing this class, you will not regret it. You will love everything about it, from the hands-on stuff to the final at the end of the year, where you actually get to go into a burning building and put out a fire. I feel like that experience was really amazing, and I hope to see other people do that as well.
You know, as a father, you want the best for your kids. Not only am I getting the best for my kids, but I'm also getting the best for everybody else's kids, the community. Knowing that my kids are going to be out there saving and helping other people, children, it's just an incredible feeling.
I always wanted to get into the fire service because they have a lot of family values, and they always say fire service is family. And so I get to do that with my actual family, with my brothers. So it was an amazing experience to go through the Fresno City College Academy with my older brother, Tyler. The reason that we chose to do North Central's internship over any others was because we had a fire captain from North Central who was an instructor at the FCC Academy.
This year and next year, we're looking at expanding to a fire science technology class at the high school for the freshmen and sophomores. The juniors and seniors are eligible for the ROP class. We also have been approached by school board members from another school district in our fire district that is also would like to mirror the program and start one at their high school or for their high school students. So I see in the future we could have an all-day program between the two schools.